Hi everyone, so I'm about to share another journal with you. So this one is a little kind of mixed media type journal, or style journal I should say. Been working on this for a few days, getting rather messy and can't seem to get my hands clean. That's what happens when you play with paints. So I've used obviously quite a lot of paints in this, and gesso and coffee water, and done splodging and spraying. The cover is wallpaper. It has been gessoed, then it had some black acrylic paint put on it, then there was white acrylic paint, then there was this lovely teal colour. The front here is just higgledy-piggledy bits of everything. As you can see, the cover's been stitched. Got some fabric here. This is some dictionary page, which I had coffee dyed and I sprayed with my homemade sprays. Got some material, it's like a meshy cotton type material. Tickets from Artymaze. I've used some of Tracie Fox's teal grungy kit in this as well. These like little Polaroids are portraits are from Artymaze. That's a stamped image of a butterfly. Don't know what I'm going to call this yet, or if I'm going to call it anything. It's kind of grungy butterfly journal. That's what we'll call it. I've left all the cotton pieces sticking out. Will be listed for sale in my shop, and at the moment there is free shipping. So you know, grab yourself a bargain because you don't have to pay for shipping. And while I'm at it, I just want to show you that this is still for sale and that is free shipping as well. I will put the links to these journals that are still in my shop below in the description box. We have this little vintage one, again, that is free shipping. Then we have this one, again, Christmas journal. I've used the same wallpaper on that. Look at the difference. Again, that is free shipping. So everything that's free shipping I will link below, and you can go over and check them out. So back to this. Did I say what this measured? I've just set everything in front of my notes. So it's 8 by 5. There is, I don't know how many, 48 pages front and back, one signature, and like I said, in my shop, and free shipping. So let's get started. It's just got plain coffee dyed cardstock here, which I stuck to the wallpaper once I'd done all the spraying and stuff. Loved how this come out, really did. This is Tracie Fox's teal grungy kit, which I thought went well with what I'd started doing, because I wasn't actually sure. I just started messing around with stuff, and I had stuff from previous mess arounds, so I'll tell you about them when I get there. So this, I made loads of just little used plastic, like plastic bags, and put some acrylic on a block and just made patterns. And I used some of it, I've scanned some of it in as well. You know, I've been scanning a lot in, and I just don't have the time to sit at the computer and have a play around with it on Photoshop. So this has all been coffee dyed. It's actually been double coffee dyed. So I coffee dyed it, then I went in and I kind of just put splodges of thicker, not thicker coffee dyed, but more concentrated coffee onto the paper, so that we got some lots of different markings. Then I've sprayed it. The colour that I used was this. And I put that into a little spray bottle with a tiny little bit of alcohol ink and some water, so it's dark aquamarine. I got that from the range here in the UK, 120ml, which was, I think, £1.99, which is a good price. I think I got a few colours the other day. So that's how I made my sprays, and that's how I made my pockets. Artymaze's tickets. This is the stamped butterfly. We've got some cotton here. The little cotton thing's been an idea from quite a few ladies. I can't remember who they are now, because I started this like last week. I know one of them was Louisa Hensel, where she was doing something the other week, and she was just wrapping the cotton and just putting it behind things. And I thought, I'll try that. I hadn't done that before. So here is This paper here is Artymaze. This is dictionary page, which has been coffee dyed and sprayed and everything else. This is from Tracie Fox. Then there is some more Tracie Fox paper here. Then there's like a mesh behind there. I don't know if you can see that. Not sure if that's picking it up. And then the little portraits from Artymaze. Then here, this is an envelope. The envelope was done many months ago. I don't know how long ago, but it was done ages ago. And then this is dictionary page, and it's kind of folded. I kind of folded it in half, stitched it, and after I sprayed it, coffee dyed it and sprayed it, ticket, cheesecloth, all from Artymaze. I think this is from the number tickets, and so is that, I think, the number tickets, number something or other, number labels maybe. And then cheesecloth there. The envelope I stitched around, that's from Artymaze as well. Here's some space for you to splodge something down on. Now, I made these ages ago. I've got piles of these. Let me see if I can get them. Scanned these in as well ages ago. Oh, so I've got a whole load of them. I'd played around with some, as you can see. Like I said, I have scanned them in. I'm going to try and do something with them at some point, but I thought, oh, I'll drag them out. Done an extra little bit of spraying on them. We've got a ticket, we've got a butterfly here, and what I did was I put some stickles on and then just rubbed the stickles all over the butterfly. And then here we've got Artymaze, Artymaze. This is from Bohemian Crafting, so that just goes on there. Some more spraying, Bohemian Crafting, some more spraying. As you can see, there is some really nice markings. I actually scanned in some coffee dyed paper. I love that noise. Tracie Fox paper. That's the teal grungy kit. Then here again, just some spraying, some coffee dyeing, little bits of paper that was sprayed, and cotton, which I'm just going to pull down there. Butterfly, same here. And there's been a lot of stitching going on. This little bit of like kind of mesh material there is from, can't remember who it's from now. It is from, oh my goodness, I can't remember. Topology. Oh, I can't remember then. Topology. Tags of Tracie Fox. This paper in the background is Artymaze, so is this. That goes in there. There is material, some stitching, tickets from Artymaze there. Then here we've got a belly band, and behind there we've just got a tag, and oh, that's isn't that a cute little boy? I think it's a little boy. Yeah, a little boy. And that goes in there. Again, here we've just got some material, some bits of Artymaze paper, and then that's my own paper that I've created through paints and sprays and stuff. Tracie Fox. And then here we have a tag from Tracie Fox. The belly band. I have showed a few of these things on Instagram. If you want to go, well, you might not, you won't need to know if you're watching the video, but sometimes people like to see the still photographs. So if you want to see some of the still photographs, you can see that on Instagram as well, or Facebook groups. That was an envelope that had been coffee dyed, and I just sprayed on it. This is a bit of paper from Tracie Fox. Got the ticket, some of that material, some cotton, the butterfly. This number's from Artymaze. Got a little pocket there, and that's another little one of these dictionary pages, which has been doubled over and sprayed and splodged and everything else. And here we have another tag. And again, this stuff is from Topology as well. So there's a nice bit of texture on there that I didn't glue it all completely down, so there's little bits that kind of stick up. And that goes in there. Then here there's a little belly band. There's nothing there, but you can tuck something behind there. And as you can see, there is a lot of stitching on some of the papers. So here is another one of these that I created, and then added some Artymaze tickets, butterflies, and the little number label there. And that's just the back of that. And this is from Bohemian Crafting. I'll set that there. So again, markings, splodging. I haven't been able to get the black acrylic paint out of my finger for about 3 days, and I've done loads of washing up and it still won't come off. Centre of the signature, little tuck there, another one of these. So there is a lot of like, it's kind of, some of this is one off because I'm never going to be able to do like get the markings and everything again, because I didn't scan all the papers in that I created. That's another tag, just Tracie Fox, Artymaze, dictionary page. I think that's Tracie Fox there, and then we've got some of that mesh here, which has got a little sparkle to it. I don't know if the camera picks it up. And we have the little girl and the lady there. Another one of these. You can pull away at that if you like. Some people like quite a bit of cheesecloth on there, and that's the other side of the envelope. Another belly band, another tag, and then again this is from Tapology, and there's a, I don't know if the 15% code is still like in use, but I did have a 15% code. I will link it below just in case it's still active. That's the word I was looking for. Tracie Fox, and how cute is he? Little portraits there, and a tag from Tracie Fox, and you can see all the splodging there. And that's again, that's the paper that I created, and that is the paper I created as well. Little tag there, it's got more of that mesh stuff on there. There's quite a few layers of Artymaze and Tracie Fox there. There we go, little butterfly there. More double, like double coffee dyed paper. Then a little pocket there, and this is the reverse of an envelope, you know, like a security envelope. So I had just kind of sprayed on that, and I thought that was actually pretty cool because it's got like little tiny hexagons, or maybe they're little tiny circles. My glasses are in the house. I'm not long, I just went out for a walk earlier and I left my glasses at home because I only need them for reading, and I haven't put them back on my head. So that's another journal card. Look at all the splodging on there. And I have scanned a lot of these in, like I said. I just need time to sit, and it is really hard for me to sit and concentrate in the house because there's too much going on in the house, and the computer is in the front room, and so is everybody else. So that's why I don't actually, I'm very easily distracted when it comes to the computer, and then everybody wants to talk to me. You know what it's like, don't you? Another tag there, some cheesecloth, and that goes in there, and that is the back. So that is that journal. So I really enjoyed doing that. Again, a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I had fun doing it. I'm going to try to do something a little bit lighter. I seem to be drawn to like the blues and the greens. I might try and do something pinkish, a pinkish colour. So like I said, this will be listed in my shop. Free shipping, free shipping, free shipping. Free shipping. Okay, so I'll link these other journals in the description box below. My digitals are still at 99p if you're interested. Have a look at the digital bit on my website, and there's some freebies on my coffee shop. I did actually put one on last night, but I haven't advertised it anywhere. It's just like a three kind of jumbo tags on there, like kind of collage. Is collage a word? But there you go. Okay, so it'd be lovely if you gave me a thumbs up, be lovely if you left a comment, and if you have any questions about the journal, then please ask, and I will speak to you all soon. Bye.